Hello everyone. Let's see how to completely remove a real green screen backdrop in Premiere Pro.
Take your editing to the next level with the ultimate preset pack for creators. You can grab it for just $20. Link in the description below.
First, add the background video to your timeline. Then, place the green screen video above that background video. Now, select the green screen video. Go to the Effects panel, search for Ultra key, and double-click on it to apply the effect. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and select the color picker icon under the Ultra key effect. Then, in the preview window, click anywhere on the green screen to pick the color. You'll see the green screen removed, but some noise may still be visible. Let's remove that noise. Go back to the Effect Controls panel and change the output to Alpha Channel. This view helps us clearly see the noise. Expand the Matte Generation section and change the pedestal value to 100. Then, expand the Matte Cleanup section and adjust the choke value to around 25 and the contrast to 100. Feel free to tweak these values as they depend on the specific video. Now we've removed a lot of the noise, but there may still be some in the corners. To hide those, let's create a mask. Go to the Effect Controls panel and select the pen tool under Opacity. I zoomed out the video preview window because it helps to draw the mask more easily. Draw a mask around your subject like this. After that, move your playhead to the end of the timeline and check if your subject is being cut off by the mask. If it is, adjust the mask as needed. Finally, return to the Effect Controls panel and switch the output back to Composite. That's it, we've successfully removed the green screen. If you have any questions, comment below and I will reply as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, see you again in the next video.